Hey guys, I'm Sean, the garage designer from Obsessed Garage. I just wanted to make a short video here highlighting the Cree LS series fixtures. So these fixtures come in 4 feet or 8 feet configurations, or in 4,000 or 6,000 lumens for the 4-foot sections, or 8,000 or 12,000 lumens in the 8-foot sections. They also come in square or round lens configurations, 80 or 90 plus CRI, or 4,000 or 5,000 Kelvin configurations. In this garage, we've gone with a configuration including 4-foot and 8 feet fixtures in the highest lumen output. So the 4-foot fixtures are the 6,000 lumen and 12,000 for the 8-foot. These are the square lenses, as well as in 5,000 Kelvin, because 5,000 Kelvin is what we've found to be the best for garage lighting. So in this garage, we ran the lights in parallel with the garage door because of the beams, and yet we still have fantastic light dispersion despite all the obstacles. Another thing to mention is that since we pair these lights with the Lutron PowPax and Pico ecosystem, we're able to dim these lights all the way down, as well as create zones that we can control independently with each different Pico, or we can just turn them all on at once. Hope you guys found this video useful, and now you can see why these lights are so great and why we recommend them in every garage that we design. Make sure to check out other garage design related videos on the Obsessed Garage Shorts channel. Thanks for watching.